What are Asian jumping worms and why are ecologists so worried about them? I can explain that for you. Jumping worms are an invasive species originally from East Asia, and they are now spreading rapidly across North America. Unlike common earthworms, these worms thrash violently when disturbed, earning them the nickname jumping worms. As well as being somewhat unsettling, this behaviour is a sign of how disruptive they are to ecosystems. Jumping worms consume organic material at an alarming rate, breaking down leaf litter and topsoil into loose coffee ground-like texture. While this might sound beneficial at first, the result is soil that lacks structure and nutrients which are essential for native plants and organisms to thrive. The rapid decomposition strips forests and gardens of the rich spongy layer that supports biodiversity. In areas where they've taken hold, native earthworms and insects often decline and native plants struggle to grow. The presence of jumping worms could reshape entire forest ecosystems if left unchecked. While Asian jumping worms do have natural predators in their native range in Asia, they haven't been around for long enough in North America for those predators to adapt to them effectively. And actually, in their invasive North American range, predators often prefer native earthworms because they're easier to catch. Rapid movements that jumping worms makes them much harder to catch, and their tiny soil-coloured cocoons are virtually immune to predation. Research is ongoing to identify and potentially introduce natural enemies of jumping worms, but these methods are still under development and not yet widely available for widespread use. So all we have in the meantime is prevention. Things like cleaning tools, inspecting compost, and avoiding soil transport. These are not ideal methods of control, but as there are no effective eradication methods yet, they're the best tools we have against jumping worms.